Good afternoon to all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve the programming in Python week 7 assignment 7 which due date is 31st March 2025. Okay. Now let's start to solve the questions. Guys, you can see in programming in Python CEC assignment 7 January 2025 you can find 10 questions. Okay, you will try to attend these 10 questions one by one. So let's start the first question here. What is a tuple in Python? What is a tuple in Python? Especially uh, a tuple, an order or mutable collection of items. Okay, an order, immutable collection of items. Why say it as an immutable collection of items? You can see because what is a tuple? A tuple in Python is an order collections of items that immutables, meaning once a tuple is created, its elements cannot be changed. Okay, so this is different from list which are mutables, but it is an order immutable collection of items. Got it? Then, so tuples are similar to list, but they are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed after the creations. Understood? Okay. So now we choose one option B. Moving to the question number 2, which of the following is correctly creates a tuple? Correctly creates a tuples. So correctly means you can find my underscore tuple equal to 1, 2, 3. Because you see this is a difference. This is square bracket. Okay. This is angle bracket. This is curly bracket. But let parenthesis, light parenthesis. It is a correctly. Okay. Two options C. Why we choose two? The option number C. Tuples are created using parentheses. Other options are incorrect options. Okay, other options are incorrect options. So inside a parenthesis, that is called a correct options. Understood? So tuples are defined using parentheses. That's why the correct option is option C. Got it? Now moving to the question number 3. What is the correct way to create a tuple with a single element? Okay, what is the correct way to create a tuple with a single element? The correct way is t equal to 5 comma. We must assign a comma. Okay, why we should assign a comma? Because you see, to create a tuple with a single comma, we need to include a trailing comma after elements like t equal to 5 comma. Without comma, what happened? Python interpret, it is an integer, not a tuple. So we trailing a comma is necessary to differentiate a single elements tuple from a parenthesized expressions. Got it? So we choose the options A. Moving to the question number 4. T equal to 1, 2, 3. T1 equal to 4. Print T. Okay. What it will indicates? It will indicates if it will indicates an error. It will indicates an error. Okay. Output will be error. Why the output will be error? You see, guys, the output will be error because tuples are immutable. Tuples are immutable. So attempting to change an element t equal to 4 will result in type error. Okay. Type error. That's why it indicates this is a error. Got it? It is a error because you know tuples are immutable, so you cannot change their elements after creations. Got it? Now moving to the question number 5. Here option is for option D, that is called error. Got it? Moving to the question number 5. Which of the following is true about tuples? True about tuples. True about tuples means tuples allow duplicate values. This is a true statement. Okay, here tuples are mutable. Now this is immutable. So rest of the things are not true. Type A is true. Okay, 5. Option A is the true answer. Tuple can contain duplicate values. Other options are incorrect because you see tuples are immutable, not immutable. Tuple are enclosed in parenthesis, not in square bracket. Okay. Tuples allow indexing. Got it? Tuples allow indexing, and tuples can contain duplicate elements. So we choose 5. Option A would be the right answer. Moving to the question number 6. which of the which operation is not allowed on a tuple? Which operation is not allowed? Concatenation is allowed, multiplication allowed, slicing allowed, but appending elements is not allowed in a tuple. Appending elements is not allowed in tuple. Because why it is not allowed? Because tuples are immutable. So you cannot append elements to them. The other options contains what? This is concatenations, multiplication, slicing. They can be allowed, or they are allowed. Got it? So tuples are immutable. So you cannot add or remove elements after creations. That's why 6. Option D, appending elements is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7. What does count 3 do if t equal to 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3? What will be the? It returns the number of times 3 appears in the tuples. It returns the number of times 3 appears in the tuple. 7. Option A. 7. Option A. Why choose 7 option A? You see, the count method returns the number of times a specified value appears in a tuple. In this case, t dot count 3 will return 3 because the value 3 appears 3 times in a tuple. The value appears 3 times in a tuple. So the count method returns the number of occurrence of a specific elements in a tuple. That's why I choose 7. Option A returns the number of times 3 appears in a tuples. Okay, got it. Moving to the question number 8. What will tuple range 4 returns? Range 4 returns means it will stand from 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3. Why 0, 1, 2, 3? The range 4 function generates the sequence 0, 1, 2, and 3. When passed to a tuple, it converts the sequence into 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the range 4 function generates a sequence of numbers from 0 to 3, and the tuple constructor converts into a tuple. So 8. Option B, 0, 1, 2, 3 is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9. What will be the output of the following code? T1 equal to 1, 2, 3, T2 equal to 4, 5. Then print T1 plus 2, 2. Very simple answer. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All the elements will be displayed because it is a addition functions. Okay. It is a addition functions. So what happened? The plus operator concatenates means joining of the tuples. Therefore, we can add T1 plus T2 will result a new tuple that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply. Yes or no? Then the operator concatenates two tuples. That's why tuple 1 is 1, 2, 3. Tuple 2 is 4 and 5. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 9. Option A. Moving to the last questions. What is the time complexity of accessing an elements in a tuple? What is the time complexity? Time complexity equal to 1. Okay, because 1. Why we choose 10 option C? Because C, accessing elements in a tuple has a time complexity of 0, 1 or O1 because the tuples are indexed, allowing direct access to any elements in a constant time. Got it? So accessing an elements in a tuple by indexing takes constant time regardless of the size of the tuples. That's why we choose 10 option C. Now I'm going to submit the answer. Okay. Then thank you for taking the assessment 7 January 2025. Your answers are successfully submitted. We attempt all the 10 questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And I clearly make you understood to answer these questions. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Okay. And any questions if you face, then you may put the question in my YouTube comment box. I will try to get the answer of these questions. Till then, you should prepare, study hard, take care of yourself, and goodbye.